Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to disable service or site handler requests in the Google Chrome web browser. Let's jump straight into it guys. Open up Google Chrome and click on this three dot icon and select settings. On left side select privacy and security. On right side you just need to scroll down. Click on site settings. Just need to scroll down. Click on the additional permissions. You just need to select a protocol handler. Site can ask to handle protocols. Click on it. Site can handle special tasks when you click on a certain type of links, like creating a new message in your email client or adding new events to your online calculator. If you want it, just click on this. Site can ask to handle protocols. If you don't want it, select don't allow sites to handle protocols guys. After saving changes, and that's all you have to do it guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.